So guys, how did it go last week? Did everybody come in and get their free slice of pie? We were so excited that we finally hit 300 subscribers. We've been working at this YouTube channel for 7 months, and we have just a faithful following that are true blue watchers. And we thought we would celebrate by giving everybody a free slice of pie. So did you come into one of our 6 locations? Did you get your free slice of pie this week? I hope that you enjoyed it. Hey, if you missed out, so sorry about that, but maybe we'll do it again here soon. Maybe we'll do it when we hit 1,000. How would that be? I want to take you behind the scenes in what I do at home in my R&D kitchen, my research and development. So here at home, I've been trying my hand at baking bread, and I've had so much fun with it. My husband had bought me a wheat grinder a couple of years ago, so I've been grinding my own wheat like the little red hen and trying different blends of flour. We like to use Einkorn flour. So I discovered Einkorn a few years ago, and I heard that it is a very ancient grain. They found it in the pyramids. So the wheat that we use nowadays is hybrid. Einkorn wheat is not hybrid. It is really pure, and it's really amazing. Check it out, you guys, if you don't know anything about Einkorn, E-I-N-K-O-R-N. But we've been using that maybe in a 50-50 blend, or maybe I use a third Einkorn and some hard red wheat. I've been trying with the soft wheat. I've been making a lot of bread, but I also want to try making a pie crust using whole wheat or 100% Einkorn wheat. So a lot of people with gluten intolerances, gluten sensitivities can eat Einkorn. I'm not a doctor. I'm not going to tell you to go out and start eating Einkorn, but you know what? I would love to have some volunteers to try out my Einkorn pie crust. And so I'm going to be experimenting with that, and I'm going to show you some behind the scenes footage here. It's really cool grinding some flour at home, and you know, it's so fresh and it just tastes so wonderful. There's nothing like bread made with freshly ground flour. It's awesome, you guys. My family is really spoiled, so I've been doing this for about the last 1.5 to 2 years. And I made a lot of mistakes, but I'm getting a little better. So today I'm going to be baking off a couple loaves of 100% Einkorn wheat loaves. I need some guinea pigs. I need someone who wants to come in and taste test here, probably in the Chesterfield location where our bakehouse is at. I'd love to scale up. I just wrote an ad for a partner in the bread industry. I would love for a true blue bread baker. I'm not a professional bread baker. It's a science, man. And there's some people out there that are making really great bread. They're learning over here at the different culinary schools in our area. So I'm looking for someone who wants to partner with me in creating a wonderful bread line for Achatz Handmade Pie Company, including using some of the grains that are ancient. I have included a link below that describes the bread partner that Dave and I are looking for. You know, we've got a full-fledged bakehouse in Chesterfield, Michigan. It's really beautiful. We've got the whole delivery routes figured out, but man, we really, really would love to make some great bread here in our facility. So share that link below if you know of anybody. All right, everybody, until next week, I'll see ya. Bye-bye.